Hello English learners, welcome to English learning videos, and in this video we are going to learn how we use auxiliary do and does in negative and question simple present. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well, here are some sentences in negative and questions simple present tense. Take a look and listen carefully. I don't go to school on Sunday. She doesn't have a pet animal. Do your parents like gardening? Does Bob listen English songs every day? Baiklah teman-teman, berikut 4 contoh kalimat yang menggunakan kata kerja bantu do dan does dalam bentuk kalimat negatif dan pertanyaan. Perhatikan dengan baik. Untuk kalimat negatif, kita menggunakan auxiliary don't and doesn't sebelum kata kerja. Dan untuk kalimat tanya, kita menggunakan auxiliary do dan does di depan kalimat. Untuk pembahasan lebih jelas, mari kita simak di pelajaran berikutnya. Well, everyone, here is the use of don'ts and doesn't in negative simple present tense. And take a look, then listen carefully. I don't go to school on Sunday. The students don't study English on Friday. She doesn't have a pet animal. My brother doesn't cook every day. Baiklah teman-teman, demikian beberapa contoh kalimat negatif simple present tense. Kalimat pertama, I don't go to school on Sunday. Kata kerja bantu don't digunakan sebelum kata kerja go. Kalimat kedua, the students don't study English on Friday. Kata kerja bantu don't juga digunakan sebelum kata kerja study. Selanjutnya, kalimat ketiga, she doesn't have a pet animal. Kata kerja bantu doesn't digunakan sebelum kata kerja have, dan perlu kita ingat, kata kerja yang kita gunakan adalah kata kerja murni atau bare infinitive, di mana tidak menggunakan imbuhan s atau es seperti pada kalimat positif simple present tense. Dan kalimat keempat, my mother doesn't cook every day, juga menggunakan kata kerja bantu atau auxiliary doesn't sebelum kata kerja cook. Well, everyone, there are some sentences in negative simple present tense using the auxiliary verbs don't and doesn't. And next, we are going to learn what subjects using don't and doesn't. Subjects using auxiliary don't and doesn't. Baiklah teman-teman, untuk kalimat negatif, kita menggunakan kata kerja bantu don't and doesn't sebelum kata kerja. Dan kapan kita menggunakannya? Baiklah, mari kita bahas bersama. Untuk kalimat dengan subjeks I, you, they, and we, kita menggunakan kata kerja bantu don't. Perhatikan contoh kalimatnya. I don't go to school on Sunday. You don't like fishing. Untuk kalimat dengan subjek she, he, and it, kita menggunakan kata kerja bantu doesn't. Perhatikan contoh kalimatnya. She doesn't have a dog. He doesn't drive a car. Perlu diingat teman-teman, don't merupakan bentuk singkat dari do not dan doesn't adalah bentuk singkat dari does not. Baik teman-teman, apakah sudah bisa dipahami dengan baik? Dan mari kita lanjut ke pelajaran berikutnya. Well guys, here we are going to learn more negative sentences. Take a look and listen carefully. Positive, I play badminton. Negative, I don't play badminton. We clean the house on Sunday. We don't clean the house on Sunday. They work in the city. They don't work in the city. She has a new car. She doesn't have a new car. He speaks Korean very well. She doesn't speak Korean very well. Mr. Jack teaches English. Mr. Jack doesn't teach English. Alright, and now we are going to learn how to make questions using auxiliary do and does. Baiklah teman-teman, sekarang kita akan membahas kalimat tanya dengan menggunakan kata kerja bantu do dan does. Jadi perhatikan contoh kalimat berikut. Kalimat pertama, do you speak Korean? Dalam kalimat ini kita menggunakan kata kerja bantu do untuk subjek you. Kalimat kedua, do they clean the rooms every morning? Dalam kalimat ini, kita juga menggunakan kata kerja bantu do untuk subjek they. Kalimat ketiga, does she join the class on Friday? Dalam kalimat ini, kita menggunakan kata kerja bantu does untuk subjek she. Jangan lupa, kita menggunakan kata kerja murni atau bare infinitive dalam kalimat tanya simple present tense. Dan kalimat keempat, does Mr. Jack come from Australia? Dalam kalimat ini, kita juga menggunakan kata kerja bantu does untuk subjek Mr. Jack. Dan diikuti kata kerja tanpa imbuhan s or es. Well, everyone, is it clear? I hope so. Then let's go to the next lesson. Well, now we are going to learn yes/no questions and the short answers with do or does. Let's take a look and listen carefully. Do you speak Korean? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she join the class on Friday? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do your parents work on Sunday? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Does Jack play football? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Well, everyone, do you understand? Sure, you have got it, right? And that's all our discussions how to make negative and question simple present tense using the auxiliary do or does. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video lessons and goodbye.